Let's create this beautiful carousels using Product Layouts plugin. Go to Product Layouts. We can create carousel for any layouts except table layouts. For example, I create general layouts and select a style. Set a layout's name and save. Successfully create our layout. Go to Product Query. For example, I set 12 products per page that we will show the carousel. Copy the shortcode name. Back to Dashboard and Create Carousel. Create Style. Set a carousel name and save. Successfully create our stylist carousel. Past layout's name in carousel style. We can use the shortcode anywhere, but I use the shortcode publish the layout in a page. Copy the shortcode. Back to Dashboard and create a new page. Set a title. Paste the shortcode. Publish and view page. This is our beautiful and multifunctional carousel. Thanks for watching the video.